Everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to be walking you through how to transfer money from Dasherdirect to a traditional bank account. So let's get started. You see, when you're transferring money from Dasherdirect account to a traditional bank account, it involves using the Dasherdirect app. Here is a general procedure based on available information. The Dasherdirect app is a primary tool for managing your Dasherdirect funds. Linking your external bank account to your Dasherdirect account is essential for transfers, and transfer limitations may apply. Now, the first step to take is to open Dasherdirect app on your mobile device. Then enter your login credentials to access your account. Navigate to the money transfer section. Look for options like move money, send money, or similar within the app's menu. This area is where fund transfers are typically managed. If you haven't already linked your bank account, you need to do so by linking your bank account. Then select the option to add a new bank account, or carefully enter your bank account details including routing number, account number, and then follow the app's instructions to verify and link your account. Select the option to transfer funds to yourself or to a linked bank account. Then choose the bank account you want to transfer the money to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review all the transfer details to ensure they are accurate and confirm the transfer transaction. You may receive a confirmation message within the app. It's as simple as that. It's important for you to note that Dasherdirect may have daily or monthly transfer limits, so be sure to check the app for current limitations. Transfer times can also vary. Allow a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Then app interfaces and functionalities can change, so always refer to the latest version of the Dasherdirect app for the most accurate instructions. Now, it is worth noting that third-party services such as Unifree provide alternative methods for transferring funds from Dasherdirect and often boasts of instant and fee-free transfers. It's always wise to research any third-party service before utilizing it.